Obviously now we are in meteorological spring. Well, let me go back to that Fort Worth Tower Cam. Sorry about that. We are in meteorological spring, official spring, astronomical spring, although I like to consider meteorological spring the official spring, but I guess the astronomers, obviously, and most of you consider official spring starting this upcoming Monday. Cloud cover over Fort Worth, although one little hole in the clouds. There's a little sunshine getting through here or there. Dark skies over Dallas Baptist University, but maybe that's that hole that we're seeing over Dallas Baptist University, because that shot from Fort Worth actually looking off to the east. So maybe Dallas Baptist University, the recipient of that hole in the clouds. A little bit of sun happening there. 61 degrees. We do have a little light rain, sprinkles trying to move across portions of North Texas right now. Maybe some light sprinkle activity from Dallas to Mesquite to Garland to Rockwall. Not confident that all this that's showing up on the radar is actually reaching the ground. If it is, it's just very light rain, little drops on the windshield, maybe enough to wet some of the roadways, but it'd have to be, I don't want to say intense rainfall, but maybe a little heavier than what we're seeing right now to really cause some wet roadways, but it's possible. Sherman to Bonham, seeing some light showers or sprinkles at the moment down to the south and southwest of DFW, some light rain in and around Granbury, maybe a little very tiny, heavier shower there, kind of between Cleburne to Hillsborough, about to move across 35W there in southern Johnson County. Some light rain falling between Hillsborough and west as well. All this is a disturbance that's moving across the area. It'll take the rain with it, and most of you will be dry as we head into the evening and nighttime hours. Skies will actually start to clear out once again, maybe just some passing clouds overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. I think the clouds will be back during the day tomorrow as the wind picks up out of the south. Mix of clouds and sun tomorrow. I think sometimes it'll be cloudy outside. Sometimes you might see some peaks of sun, but with that breeze steadily out of the south, it will be a warmer day tomorrow and maybe a little muggier too by tomorrow afternoon. But nothing happens during the day tomorrow. Next chance for rain after the sprinkles that are out there right now will definitely be a more intense round of rain, and the chance for some severe weather happens on Thursday. So Thursday morning, it's cloudy, it's muggy, it's breezy, perhaps some passing showers out there. We could see some scattered showers and storms form during the morning hours and maybe into the midday, early afternoon hours, but I'm not overly concerned with this round being severe. Is it possible that maybe one or two of those storms could become strong to severe? Yeah, I can't rule out anything, but I think better chances are once this dry line and cold front start to move through the majority of North Texas. That round that I said, might have a chance at maybe a strong to severe storm, but it's a low-end threat. We'll move over into East Texas, into the Arkansas, Texas as we head into the afternoon. Now watch what happens between about 3 and 5 o'clock. Start to get some storms developing closer to that front, closer to that dry line, maybe somewhere in and around DFW, potentially just west of DFW. Those storms will form, then start to move to the south and east. These are the ones that could certainly be strong to severe. A wind threat, a hail threat, maybe even an isolated tornado threat as well. There's 6 o'clock in the evening. There's 7 o'clock starting to move to the southeast. The front moves through DFW. It looks like evening hours, 6, 7, 8 o'clock or so, takes all the storms along with it, and then we're much cooler behind that front on Friday. So right now it's a 2 on a scale of 5 for pretty much all of North Texas for that severe weather threat. As we talked about, hail, wind, can't rule out a tornado threat as well. Since those storms will be moving rather quickly, it's only a quarter to half an inch for most of you, perhaps a little higher totals to the southeast. But then that cold air moves in. Saturday morning, potentially a freeze for areas along the Red River and northwestern north locations. Can't rule it out for portions of DFW, especially the farther north and west you go in DFW. It's possible. Southern North Texas, not likely. As we head into Sunday, it's much of the same. Northern portions of DFW, potentially a freeze possible for DFW, but right now I do not have an official freeze for the DFW airport, but maybe Denton or McKinney sees a freeze. And in southern North Texas, not likely. So light winds and chilly tonight, 44 for the low. Tomorrow, dry, breezy, and warmer, 68 for the high with those increasing clouds. 76 on Thursday, and then we cool off, like we talked about, on Friday with only a high of 52 on Friday, and that'll come with a decent breeze out of the north, making it feel even cooler. 36, my official lows right now, 36 Saturday morning, 35 Sunday morning, 38 Monday morning. So obviously that's above freezing in DFW, but certainly could be some freezing temperatures across portions of the area like we talked about. Some showers possible on Monday for the first day of spring, and then next week brings a warm up with highs back in the 70s late week and maybe another round of showers and storms as well.